Honorable Speaker, sir, in the heat of the moment, Honorable Chief Minister might have not understood what I was trying to say. Sir, I once again, I'm not saying, we are not saying that you haven't given anything. What I'm saying is that the Commission did not review the CAG report, Vigilance report, NSDA report, Expert Committee report, saying that it is not in their terms of reference. In spite of you giving it, they never reviewed it. In spite of you submitting it. And in this report, what you have submitted is not there. What I am saying is that these report, I am not saying that these reports were not shared. You shared. But they didn't study these reports. So now my suggestion is that, we can have some experts to see that this Ghosh report and the Vigilance report and the COG report and the other reports can be incorporated together and a strict action can be taken against all those corrupt people. Let it be big, let it be small, let it be Chief Minister, let it be any minister, ex-minister. This is what I am saying. You have submitted it, but they haven't. They said it is not in their purview. So isliye aur ek cheez, sir, now that when you want us to give a suggestion, sir, I do not have the Vigilance report. I have the CAG report. I don't have the Expert Committee report. Nor I have the other report. Sir, I need the copy, then I can give you a suggestion. But only one thing I would say, state का पैसा है, गरीबों का पैसा है, वो पैसे को जिसने भी लूटा है, उसको सजा देनी चाहिए. चाहे वो लीडर कितना भी बड़ा क्यों ना होने दो, चाहे वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कितना बड़ा क्यों ना होने दो. ये लूटम लाठी की वजह से आज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स परेशान हैं, हमारे किसान परेशान हैं, आरोग्यश्री में बीमार जो बच्चे वो लोग परेशान हैं. तो हमको इन लोगों की लूट जिन्होंने मचाई है सजा देनी चाहिए. दीजिए आप.